connect all of this to an engineer? So we find geekiness in Should Desi Love as well. So, all right, TCS. Think about it. The answer lies on the screen. If you are careful, you will be able to figure out something. No negatives. Please do attempt.
Ram Gopal Verma.
Ram Gopal Verma. Why would you think that?
He directed company. Maybe he's also an engineer. REC Warangal. So we thought.
And बाकी दोनों जोड़ देते हैं. No, that's a good attempt. Ram Gopal Verma is an engineer, but that is the wrong answer, my friends. I was looking for somebody else. JP Morgan, pass. Hindustan Unilever, yes.
Sushant Rajput.
Sushant Rajput, I knew you were going to say that. Sushant Rajput is a dropout, not an engineer. Not an engineer. Yeah? Just missed it by a few semesters. Yes, Edelweiss. Pass, which means my favorite teams. There was somebody here. Yes, my friend.
I guess he's Mr. Jaideep, if I'm not wrong.
What is his full name?
I'm actually unable to recall that full name.
Jaideep Sahni?
I guess.
Who is he?
He's a director of NIIT.
That's the guy. That's the guy. Top right, and he's a writer. He's written the scripts for Company, this movie, Should They See Romance, and quite a number of you. Let's have a round of applause for my friend. He was the first to raise his hand. Why don't we have something for him? Why don't we have some prizes for my friend? With this, we have come to the last question of the round. This will be for JP Morgan. JP Morgan, have a look at the screen.
Style. It's also a place where groundbreaking technology is being applied in new and fascinating ways to make the home more livable. Innovations developed here are likely to be common features of the typical home someday. The home is built into a hillside to minimize its presence on the site and improve its energy efficiency. There's a great deal of wood in the home, as well as glass windows and roofs, and at least 7 varieties of stone. Most of the wood is recycled Douglas fir that came from an 80-year-old Weyerhaeuser lumber mill that was being torn down nearby. Most of the glass faces west over the lake towards Seattle to take advantage of the sunset and the Olympic mountain views. Another key building material is silicon. 100 microcomputers and the software that controls them will let you experience the home without having to pay any attention to the technology at its heart. Once inside, you'll wear a special pin that uniquely identifies you and connects you to the home's electronic services, which will automatically adapt themselves to you and your tastes. As you move through the home, the pin that you've programmed...
All right. Quite a long question, JP Morgan, but it's a very interesting question. Any architects in the house? No. But let me explain the question. So you understood that this is quite a high-tech home, isn't it? They have put all engineering that they could to ensure it's very efficient, it's green. So let me just break down the question very easily. If Antilla is to Mukesh Ambani, the name of this place is Zanudu, belongs to which famous engineer? Very famous engineer.
Bill Gates.
Bill Gates? Is that a guess? Why would you say Bill Gates? Let me see. Let's see. Why would you?
I've read that his house is supposed to be...
You have read that his house is supposed to be so high-tech?
It's basically a guess.
It's a guess, but you should keep reading such things, my friends. That is a superb guess. That is a superb guess. That is Bill Gates' home. It took 7 years. This is 2000s and 1990s. It doesn't take so long, but it took 7 years and millions of dollars. That is a wonderful 10 marks. Louder. So a big round of applause. Should we have a buzzer question for our friends here? Let's see how competitive that they are. One question for you, buzzer on the screens. Go. All right, JP Morgan, what is the answer?
Shri Prakash Jaiswal.
Who Jaiswal?
SP Jaiswal.
SP Jaiswal, is that the right answer? Incorrect, -5 to you, -5 to you. I will not further come here. That's -5 to you. ये तो है, सबको पता है. Let me go further. Praful Patel. Praful Patel, he is the -5 to you, my friends. You jumped the gun. Praful Patel is the Minister for Heavy Industries, isn't he? Yes? Which city does he belong to? Gondia, are you sure? Are you from Gondia? Nagpur? No? Gondwana. Gondia. Same region, Vidarbha, isn't it? Let's put it that way. Is he an engineer? Coming to the important question. What? In Hindi, we call it dhutkar dena. Yeah? All right, all right. We'll move on to the next question. You couldn't score, but the next question is for you, my friends. Brought to you by Aditya Birla Group Global Manufacturing Leadership Program. Let's have a look at your question. This condition that causes vapor locking in a brake system is very, very cool question. I love this question. Let's see if we can answer this. Think about it. Troubleshoot it yourself. I will come to you. Let's